In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a project in Base44. Whether you're clearing out old projects or simply organizing your workspace, deleting an unwanted project can be an essential task. And, rest assured, it's a straightforward process once you know where to look and what to do. Let's delve into it step by step. First things first, you'll need to open your Base44 dashboard. Navigate to the Base44 website and log into your workspace using your credentials. This is your main hub where all your projects and applications are neatly organized. Once you're logged in, you'll have access to all the tools and resources you need to manage your projects. Now it's time to locate the specific project you want to remove. This might take a moment, depending on how many projects you have, but you'll get there. Look through your list of apps and find the one that no longer serves its purpose or is just taking up space. Being able to locate your project efficiently can sometimes save you a lot of time, especially if you're managing multiple tasks. Once you've identified the project, you'll want to open the project menu. You'll need to look for the three-dot icon or the settings icon, resembling a small cog, near the project card or project name. Both of these symbols can usually be found close to each other and are designed to give you access to a range of project options. Think of them as a toolbox for managing your application settings. With the menu open, your next job is to find the Delete Project option. Depending on the version of Base44 you're using, you might see it labeled differently, such as Delete, Remove Project, or Delete App. They essentially mean the same thing and lead you to the desired action. Once you see it, make a selection. Before the final removal, Base44 will typically ask for a confirmation to prevent accidental deletions. You might be prompted to type out the project name as a form of verification. Sometimes you may also need to click another confirmation button or even enter your account password to proceed. This additional step is essential. It adds a level of security, making sure that projects aren't removed by mistake. And there you have it. Once all confirmations are complete, your project will be removed from Base44. The project deletion process is designed to be simple yet secure, ensuring you keep control over what stays and what goes in your workspace. So, whenever you're ready to do some digital cleanup, remember these steps to efficiently manage your projects. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions or need further clarifications, feel free to reach out. Happy organizing!